This is the Cyma CM0.32A M14 Socom assault rifle, airsoft gun. I purchased this from Hobbytron last Friday. It arrived today, so we're going to sort of go through the box and see what we got. In the box, you have the manual. Oops. Charger, sling, battery, strap for the rifle, rifle itself, and cleaning rod, and some practice BBs. And let's not forget the magazine. That's another important part. Okay, let's get some stuff charged up and we'll see what this thing does. Okay, the battery's been charged. I've actually put the strap on the gun, loaded the magazine with BBs. Before going into it much further, I would like to basically go over some features on the gun. This one, the hop-up, is located just in front of the magazine, right there. I don't know if you can make that out or not in the video. And this actually can be adjusted with the magazine still in the gun. The fire selector, down is semi-auto, up is full auto. The safety on this gun is in the trigger guard. Pushed forward, it can fire. Pushed in, it's on safety. The battery is a royal pain in the ass. There's no other way to put it. To get the battery in it, I actually wound up taking the butt plate off, and I plan to just leave the battery in it and charge it in the gun whenever it needs it. I can get to it to disconnect it and plug it back in whenever I want to shoot. But it's very tight quarters getting the battery in. Okay, this is actually the second Cyma that I own. I also bought one of the CM0.42S AK-47s recently and really liked that gun. That's probably the main reason I went with this one. The sight on it has peep sights, which are adjustable, both windage and elevation. Same basic front sight. The bolt does function, but it's not a blowback gun. It's just there for looks. Magazine, straightforward, easy loading. Has a hatch on the top where you can pop it open and dump in the BBs. Wheel on the bottom for running them up to make it work. And with the magazine in the gun, it can actually be used to put it up on a display stand, I guess. The sling that come with it, it's okay. The clips that hold them in place are a little bit cheesy. But, overall, not too bad. And that said, let's do a little bit of shooting. This is my indoor range. I've got the target set up in the kitchen, butted up against the back wall. I could go to the living room and I get about a 25-foot range for shooting. And let's see what we can accomplish here. Okay. The semi-auto is holding a nice tight grip. I got one flyer out of the black. Where that came from, that's where I started shooting a little low, and then just adjusted my sight and went to raise it up to the bullseye. Not too bad. Let's go to full auto. Through the back of my target. Time to quit. Yeah, I think I punched a hole through the back of the box. Not supposed to do that. I got a couple of cloth curtains in there to stop the shot. Not too bad. Everything's still pretty much in the black. Even full auto. Okay, that's enough of that.